Hello. Hi. It's Tuk again. So today you come back again with learning one Thai word with Tuk. So in front of you is like a panda, bear, a toy, but I can use it like a pillow. Pillow, like pillow. In English, in Thai, it's called, we can say, mon, mon, mon. So either or, you can see like a panda bear, like my pillow, or I can show you this one, also like a small one here. Also called the same is mon, mon, mon. Okay, so today you learn something about sleeping, which is very important for you, mon. Okay, and I hope you remember it and learning day by day. Enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye.